Hope all of you doing great and best wishes for your coming exam. I know all of you must be busy preparing for your exam. In this video, I'm going to cover a few idioms which I've taken from the class 10 chapters. Hope they'll be helpful to you. तीसरी कसम के शिल्पकार शैलेंद्र. Here are a few idioms which I have taken from this chapter. सातवें आसमान पर होना, being in the seventh sky. That means ऊंचाई पर होना, उच्च सीमा पर होना, to be in great heights. That is a person feeling really great about one's own achievements. जब वह कक्षा में प्रथम आया तो उसे लगा जैसे वह सातवें आसमान पर है. When he came first in the class, he felt as if he's in the seventh sky. He really felt great about his achievement. प्रथम means first. तराजू पर तोलना, सही गलत का विचार करना. To weigh on the measuring scale. Taraju means scale. What it means is to think about whether something is right or wrong and then take a decision. जीवन में कोई भी बड़ा फैसला लेने से पहले उसे विवेक की तराजू पर तोल लेना चाहिए. Before taking any major decision in life, it's better to weigh it on the scales of our conscience. That is, we should measure it carefully, weigh it and see whether it is right or wrong. Faisla means decision. Vivek means conscience. चेहरा मुरझा जाना, to become pale. परीक्षा फल देखकर उसका चेहरा मुरझा गया. Having seen his examination results, his face became pale with sadness. Maybe the results were not good, so suddenly it could be seen on his face. Chehra means face, murjha jana means to become pale. Pariksha fal means examination result. Chakkar kha jana, to become tensed up or to feel troubled. चोर की चालाकी देखकर पुलिस भी चक्कर खा गई. Seeing the cunningness of the thief, even the police, it became upset. Chalaki means cunningness. दो से चार बनाना, to make 4 from 2. That means to mint money. रमेश हर वक्त 2 से 4 बनाने में लगा रहता है. Ramesh is always busy minting money. आंखों से बोलना, to speak with the eyes, to have expressive eyes. वह अभिनय करते वक्त मुंह से नहीं बल्कि आंखों से बोलती है. When she acts, she does not speak with her mouth. It seems as if she is speaking with her eyes. That means she has expressive eyes. Surag na milna, not to get any clue. Surag means clue. That means kuch pata na chala. That is, did not know about anything. पुलिस ने सारी रात बस्ती में छानबीन की, फिर भी बदमाशों का कोई सुराग न मिला. The police investigated throughout the night in the city but did not get any clue about the rogues. बड़े भाई साहब, now this is a lesson. प्राण सूखना means डर लगना, to become scared. घर के पास शेर को देखकर मोहन के प्राण सूख गए. Having seen a lion near his house, Mohan really got very scared. हंसी खेल होना, it means छोटी मोटी बात होना or a very small or simple thing. तुम तो ऐसे बात कर रहे हो जैसे बिटिया का विवाह कोई हंसी खेल हो. You are talking in such a way as if your daughter's marriage is a very simple thing. आंखें फोड़ना, बड़े ध्यान से पढ़ना. आंखें फोड़ना means to study very carefully or with full attention. आंखें फोड़ कर पढ़ाई करने से ही डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं. In order to become a doctor, we should really study with full attention. गाढ़ी कमाई मेहनत की कमाई, earnings of hard work. हमें अपनी गाढ़ी कमाई को संभाल कर रखना चाहिए. We should keep our earnings that we have earned with hard work very carefully. संभाल कर means carefully. We should not just waste it. जिगर के टुकड़े टुकड़े होना means हृदय पर भारी आघात लगना. To get hurt very badly. बेटे की मृत्यु की खबर सुनते ही मां के जिगर के टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गए. As soon as she heard the news of her son's death, the mother's heart broke into pieces, or she got very badly hurt. I hope children, all of you know that it is not the meanings that you have to write in the exam. It will be the muhavra itself that you have to make use in sentences. Or maybe they will give you a sentence with a fill in the blanks and you will have to fill it up with a appropriate muhavra or idiom. Himmat tootna means sahas समाप्त होना. That is to lose confidence or to break down. That is what it means by हिम्मत टूटना. मुसीबतों के समय हमारी हिम्मत नहीं टूटनी चाहिए. During times of challenges, we should not break down. मुसीबतों के समय means when we have disaster or troubles in life. जान तोड़ मेहनत करना means अत्यधिक परिश्रम करना. To work really hard. डॉक्टर बनने के लिए हमें जान तोड़ मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. In order to become a doctor, we have to really work very hard. दबे पांव आना, चोरी चोरी प्रवेश करना. That means to enter some place without making any noise, very quietly. देर रात घर में दबे पांव आने पर पिताजी बहुत गुस्से हुए. Father got very angry when he came home very late in the night and he was entering the house very quietly without making any noise. घुटकिया खाना, डांट सहना. To tolerate scoldings. नौकरी में कभी कभी साहब की 1000 घुटियां खाकर भी चुप रहना पड़ता है. Sometimes while we are working, we have to listen to a lot of scoldings from our bosses, but still we have to remain quiet. आड़े हाथों लेना means कठोर व्यवहार करना. To act in a very strict way with someone. That is what is meant by आड़े हाथों लेना. कठोर means very tough, व्यवहार means behavior. गलत संगत में पड़ने पर कभी कभी बच्चों को आड़े हाथों लेना पड़ता है. At times, when children fall into the wrong company, they have to be handled with lot of strictness. गलत संगत means wrong company. कभी कभी at times. घाव पर नमक छिड़कना. घाव means injury, namak means salt. When we sprinkle salt on an injury, it burns a lot, right? That means दुखी को और दुख देना. To hurt a person who's already sad. That is what is meant by घाव पर नमक छिड़कना. हमें कभी किसी के घाव पर नमक नहीं छिड़कना चाहिए. We should never hurt a person who's already sad or upset. तलवार खींचना, लड़ाई के लिए तैयार रहना. To तलवार खींचना means to always be ready for a fight. तलवार means sword. लड़ाई means fight. बॉर्डर में तैनात सिपाहियों को हमेशा तलवार खींचकर रखना पड़ता है. Those people who are posted at the borders of countries, they always have to be prepared for a fight. Border means the border between two countries. Tainat means posted. Sipahi means soldiers. Hamesha means always. अंधे के हाथ बटेर लगना. अंधा means blind person, बटेर means a treasure. योग्यता ना होने पर भी मूल्यवान वस्तु मिल जाना. Even if one does not have the capacity, one gets something very valuable. That means someone who doesn't deserve to get something has got something. That is what is meant by अंधे के हाथ बटेर लगना. पढ़ा लिखा ना होने पर भी उसे बहुत अच्छी नौकरी मिल गई. इसी को कहते हैं अंधे के हाथ बटेर लगना. Even if he is not at all educated, he got a very good job. This is what we call it as अंधे के हाथ बटेर लगना. That is, even if you're not deserving something, you're getting something very good. चुल्लू भर पानी देने वाला. चुल्लू भर means a fistful. मुश्किल वक्त में मदद करने वाला. A person who helps you in times of difficulties. मुश्किल means difficulties. वक्त में means in time. मदद means help. अगर हमारा व्यवहार अच्छा नहीं है तो कोई भी चुल्लू भर पानी देने वाला ना होगा. If our behavior or attitude is not good, we will not have anyone to help us in times of need or difficulties. व्यवहार means behavior or attitude. दांतों पसीना आना. बहुत परेशानी में पड़ना. To fall into great troubles or to face lot of problems. बेटे की शादी करने में रामपाल जी को दांतों पसीने आ गए. Rampal ji faced a lot of challenges or troubles to get his daughter married. लोहे के चने चबाना. बहुत मुश्किलों का सामना करना. लोहा means iron and chane means grams. Chabana means to bite. It's so difficult to bite, right? It's almost impossible. That means बहुत मुश्किलों का सामना करना. To face lots of difficulties. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को पराजित करने में अंग्रेजों को लोहे के चने चबाने पड़ गए. In order to defeat Rani Lakshmibai, the British had to chew grams of iron. That means they had lots of challenges or difficulties because she was that brave. आटे दाल का भाव मालूम होना. Atta means flour, dal means pulses, bhav means value, malum hona means to realize. That is to know the value of things, to realize the value of things. That is what it means. रमेश ने जब घर का खर्चा अपने ऊपर लिया तब उसे आटे दाल का भाव मालूम हुआ. When Ramesh took the responsibility of the household expenses on himself, he realized the value of things. जमीन पर पांव ना रखना, बहुत खुश हो जाना. जमीन means ground, पांव means legs, ना रखना means not to keep. It means to become extremely happy. बेटे की सरकारी नौकरी की खबर सुनकर गुप्ता जी से तो मानो पांव जमीन पर ना रखे जा रहे थे. Hearing the news of his son getting a government job, Gupta ji became extremely happy. सरकारी नौकरी means government job, खबर means news. हाथ पांव फूल जाना. That is मुश्किल समय में घबरा जाना. To become scared when one faces a difficult period in one's life. That is what it means by हाथ पांव फूल जाना. पति की नौकरी जाने की खबर सुनते ही रमा के हाथ पांव फूल गए. When Rama heard the news of her husband losing the job, she became very scared. Now we are going to do idioms from the lesson डायरी का एक पन्ना. रंग दिखाना, अपनी असलियत दिखाना, to show one's true colors. असलियत means reality. जब तक भाई जीवित था, रमेश ने भतीजों से प्रेम बनाए रखा, किंतु भाई की मृत्यु होते ही उसने अपना असली रंग दिखाना शुरू कर दिया। As long as his brother was alive, Ramesh showed love and attachment towards his nephews. But as soon as he died, he started showing his true colors. Bhatija means nephew. ठंडा पड़ना, प्रयासों में कमी आना. To reduce one's efforts in doing something. That is what it means by ठंडा पड़ना. Prayas means efforts, kami ana means a short fall in that, in the efforts one takes to achieve something. प्राय सभी विद्यार्थी आईआईटी में दाखिले का सपना देखते हैं, किंतु जब मेहनत करने की बारी आती है तो 2 दिन में ही जोश ठंडा पड़ जाता है. Normally all the students, they dream of getting entry into IIT. But when it comes to doing hard work, within 2 days, they all become cold. That means their efforts reduce drastically. Here, Vidyarthi means students, Prayah means usually, Dakhila means admission, Sapna, dream, Mehnat means hard work. Toot jana means himmat tootna, bikhar jana, to break down. जब से बेटे बहू ने अपना घर अलग कर लिया, तब से अहमद जी तो अंदर से टूट गए हैं. Since the time Ahmed ji's son and daughter-in-law, they got a separate house for themselves, he is just totally broke, or he has broken down. It has totally shattered him. That is what it means. Toot jana means to shatter oneself. Now, idioms from Tatara Pamiro Katha. Sudh budh khona. That is, apne bas mein na rehna. Sudh budh khona means to lose one's senses, not to know what to do. कई लोग पैसे के लालच में अपनी सुध बुध ही खो बैठते हैं. Many people, they lose their senses in the greed for money. लालच means greed. बाट जोहना means प्रतीक्षा करना, इंतजार करना. बाट जोहना means to wait for someone. उसके बेटे को घर से गए हुए कई बरस हो गए, पर उसकी माँ अब भी उसकी बाट जोह रही है. Her son left her house years back, but even today his mother is waiting for him, thinking that one fine day he'll come back. खुशी का ठिकाना न रहना, बहुत अधिक प्रसन्नता का होना, to become extremely happy. कक्षा में प्रथम आने की खबर सुनकर रेखा की खुशी का ठिकाना ही न रहा. As soon as she heard the news of her coming first in the class, she was extremely happy. हावी होना, अधिक प्रभावी होकर लाभ उठाना. That means to make or to use advantage of one's position. वह इतना घमंडी है कि हर किसी पर हावी होने की कोशिश करता है. He is so aggressive, so arrogant that he tries to dominate everybody. कहां दूसरे के दुख में दुखी होने वाले. दीवार खड़ी करना, आपस में बंटवारा कर लेना, to divide things or property among each other. That is what it means by दीवार खड़ी करना. दीवार means wall, to build a wall. पिता की मृत्यु होते ही शर्मा जी के बेटों ने घर में दीवारें खड़ी कर ली. As soon as their father died, Sharma ji's sons, they divided the property among themselves. बेघर करना, आसरा छीन लेना, to make someone homeless. रमेश इतने लालची हैं कि थोड़े से पैसे के लिए गरीब आदमी के बच्चों को घर से बेघर करना चाहते हैं. Ramesh is so greedy that for a little money he wants to make a poor person's children homeless. Lalchi means greedy, गरीब means poor, डेरा डालना स्थायी रूप से बस जाना, to settle down somewhere permanently. स्थायी रूप से means permanently, बस जाना means to settle down. That is what this idiom or मुहावरा डेरा डालना means. शुरुआत में नदियों के आसपास लोग डेरा डाल लेते थे. In the beginning, people used to settle down nearby rivers. पतझड़ में टूटी पत्तियां. हवा में उड़ना, ऊंची ऊंची बातें करना. To talk about great things. जब से उसका चयन IAS में हुआ है, वह तो मानो हवा में उड़ रही है. Since the time she has been selected for the IAS post, she has been flying really high in the sky, in the sense that she's always talking about big things. झेम की देन, सन्नाटा सुनाई देना, कोई शोर न होना, अत्यधिक शांति होना. Sannata means silence. Sunai dena means to hear silence. That means there is no sound anywhere. Pin drop silence is there. पिछले साल गांव में ऐसी महामारी फैली कि सारे गांव में सन्नाटा सुनाई देता था. Last year, an epidemic had spread in this village in such a way that we could even hear silence. पिछले साल means last year, Mahamari means epidemic, फैली means spread. कारतूस, this is a lesson. तंग आना means परेशान होना, to become troubled or to become upset. वर्मा जी ने अपने बेटों से कहा कि अगर शांति से साथ नहीं रह सकते तो अलग हो जाओ. Verma ji told his sons that if they can't live together peacefully, they should separate. रोज रोज की चिक चिक से तंग आ गया हूं. He is upset with the daily fights happening between them. Shanti means peace. रोज रोज means every day. चिक चिक से means the fights that happen between them. तंग आ गया means he has got upset. He has become upset or disgusted. He is feeling disgusted. कामयाब होना means सफलता पाना. To achieve successful or to become successful. कामयाब होने के लिए जीवन में परिश्रम तो करना ही पड़ेगा. In order to become successful in life, one has to work hard. आंखों में धूल झोंकना means धोखा देना, निकल भागना. To deceive someone and to escape. चोर पुलिस की आंखों में धूल झोंक कर फरार हो गया. The thief deceived or cheated the police and he escaped from them. काम तमाम करना. That means मार डालना or to kill someone. Put an end to someone's life. भारतीय सिपाहियों ने दुश्मनों का काम तमाम कर दिया. The Indian soldiers, they killed their enemies. भारतीय सिपाही means Indian soldiers. दुश्मन means enemies. नजर रखना means निगरानी रखना. To keep an eye or watch on someone. जेलर ने सिपाही से कहा कि इस चोर पर नजर रखना, ये पहले भी जेल से फरार हो चुका है. The jailer told the policeman that to keep an eye on a particular thief because he has escaped from there before as well. सिपाही means the policeman. चोर पर नजर रखना means to keep a watch on him. फरार हो चुका means he has escaped from the jail before also. जान बख्शना, to spare one's life. हत्या न करना, not to kill someone. मृत्युदंड माफ करना, to spare one's life. राजा ने चोर की जान बख्श दी. The king spared the thief's life. He did not get a punishment of being killed. hope you all understood and that it will be helpful to all of you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and have a great day.